How to use Zoom chat during a meeting. Start by joining your Zoom meeting and looking for the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. Tap or click on the chat button, and a chat window will appear on the side if you're on a computer or pop up separately if you're on mobile. In the text box, type your message and press enter to send it. By default, your message will go to everyone in the meeting, but you can also send a private message by opening the drop-down list and selecting the name of a participant. This is useful if you want to ask the host something directly without everyone seeing. You can also share links or even files in the chat, but keep in mind that this depends on the host's settings. While the chat is open, you can still follow the meeting without missing what's being said, since the video and audio will continue in the background. If you find the chat distracting, you can minimize it or close it at any time and open it again later. Using the chat is a simple way to ask questions, share ideas, or interact with others without interrupting the speaker. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.